I'm here today with the Waterpik Sensonic Water Flosser, and I want to unbox this today to see what we get. I've tested quite a few of these toothbrushes now, but Waterpik is like the standard in toothbrush and water flossing system in one. So let's see what we get here. A nice book, which is very, very thick. Then some eco-friendly packaging, it seems, like the egg carton packaging, and like the complete set here. This is where you put your stuff. Then, whoa, a nice case, so you can take the thing with you. And then here are the heads for the brush, I think. So nothing too much here in the packaging. So let's see, let's unbox this and see what we get. So this Waterpik, it has had a lot of iterations during its life, but it has been the standard and go-to set for like water flossing systems. There have been a lot of copycats and other types of systems for you to use your water flossing with, but this still is, I think, the go-to. Here's the complete set with the mains cable. Then here is like your little flosser, and then you can put this on and you can fill that water. It has a large tank, so you don't need to fill that often, so that's pretty nice. And you have space here for your toothbrush, so you can set that, and you have this like on your table, and then just use that as one set, and then on and off here for the water flosser with different settings. And then let's see what else we have here. That should be the toothbrush. I didn't expect to get like this case with it. Perhaps it's just this version and you can get it without the case as well. I don't know. It doesn't say on the box. So I think you get this every time. It has a cool magnetic case with a little magnet in there, so it snaps shut. It's quite nice. You have space for two brushes here, so you can use this with two people, so they don't touch, and you can easily take this with you. So it's a very nice case, very well thought out here. That's always nice to see. And then of course the toothbrush right here with a nice indentation here at the back. It gives it a nice hand feel. It's not that large, quite small, so that's nice as well. Let's see what we get here for the type of sets. We have a different type of hooks for the water. So that's like a complete hook, then just a little nozzle. This is a nozzle with brushes, so you can really get in between your teeth. And then a little nozzle which is a little bit softer, you can get in between your teeth as well. So from just plastic to those nozzles which are a little bit softer, which is nice. And you get two of these, one with a ring on there and one without a white ring, and you can put that on the toothbrush. So that's the accessories that you get here. So let's see if we'll turn on right out of the box. And then charge. This is also charge here right in the base. That would be pretty cool. I think so. Let's see if it turns on right out of the box. Yeah, it does. So you have these different modes: clean, stain removal, and then gum care, which is a little bit more pulsating, as you can hear. And then the normal mode. We don't have any overpressure protection, so it doesn't come with that right out of the box, but it does have a timer, so it goes on for 2 minutes, so you know when to finish. So it's a really basic toothbrush here. I think more like the Oral-B beginner series, like the series Pro 1000, the Pro Series 1. So very basic. The heads feel a little basic, so nothing too special here, but it also comes with this set, of course. So let's see if we can get this to connect. I have this one here, and I can put that in my mains. Here in my desk. Okay. So now this should be turned on. Let's see if we already have a connection here. Oh, here's the setting, how much water you want here on the side. So that's cool. It doesn't turn on without like a head on there, I think. So let's put one on. And then you can, oh, so now it's nice and secure, and then you can push this up to remove it again. Still nothing, but perhaps we need to fill it with water. So that's a nice and secure bucket. It all feels very premium, it does. So that's something that the Waterpik does really well. I mean, look at this shiny exterior, the same as on the brush head right here. So that looks very, very cool. Let's see if we can get this to work. Oh, so we need to turn on the power right here on the side button. And then this is how much water you want. Let's see if we can make that squirt. Oh yeah. That does. Oh, and you really can set it to a lot higher here. So just have the power button right there on the side, and you can make that work. So you have a lot of power here in the water reservoir. I've not seen this much power from a water flosser, but again, I've only tested handheld water flossers, not like a Waterpik with a complete reservoir like this one. I think the toothbrush is a little basic. I would have liked to have seen overpressure protection, which it doesn't have. And then just these 3 modes, which is in my opinion enough, and it charges right on the base, so that's nice. And you can put this away and then just go about your day. So I think that's really, really nice. And a very cool set right here. So for the water floss, I think, yeah, for the price, I would have liked to have seen a better toothbrush here, but you do get a very cool travel case, so you can take this with you and then keep the base, and then when you get back home, just put that in there and you can start charging again. So really nice, and I do recommend.